Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at error code 15 on your Rinnai tankless water heater and wondering what went wrong, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error typically signals a problem with the flame detection or ignition system, which can be caused by issues like a faulty gas supply, dirty sensors, or even a simple reset. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix it yourself, saving you time and money. But remember, safety first. Always turn off the power and gas before starting any work. First things first, let's ensure your gas supply is good to go. Check if the gas valve is fully open and that there's no interruption in the gas line. Sometimes, a simple blockage or low pressure can trigger this error. If everything looks fine, move on to resetting the unit. Locate the power switch on your Rinnai heater and turn it off for at least 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This basic reset often clears temporary glitches and might resolve the code right away. If the error persists, it's time to inspect the igniter and flame sensor. These components can get dirty over time, so grab a soft brush or cloth and gently clean any buildup. Make sure the igniter is properly aligned and not damaged. Look for cracks or wear. While you're at it, check the venting system for blockages, as poor ventilation can cause flame issues. Rinnai heaters need good airflow, so clear out any debris from the exhaust and intake vents. Once you've done that, reassemble everything and power up the heater to test it. Run some hot water and see if the error code disappears. If it does, great job, you fixed it. But if error code 15 keeps showing up, it might indicate a more serious problem, like a faulty gas valve or electronic control board. In that case, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid any risks. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to tackle Rinnai error code 15. Always prioritize your safety, and if you're unsure at any point, don't hesitate to seek professional help. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.